AAA, Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. AC, Alternating Current. ACL, Access Control List. ADF, Automatic Document Feeder. AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. AP, Access Point. APFS, Apple File System. APIPA, Automatic Private Internet Protocol Addressing. APK, Android Package. ARM, Advanced Reduced Instruction Set Computer Machine. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. ATA, Advanced Technology Attachment. ATM, Asynchronous Transfer Mode. ATX, Advanced Technology Extended. AUP, Acceptable Use Policy. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. BSOD, Blue Screen of Death. BYOD, Bring Your Own Device. CAD, Computer Aided Design. CAPTCHA, Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. CD, Compact Disc. CDFS, Compact Disc File System. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access. CERT, Computer Emergency Response Team. CIFS, Common Internet File System. CMD, Command Prompt. CMOS, Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CRL, Certificate Revocation List. DC, Direct Current. DDoS, Distributed Denial of Service. DDR, Double Data Rate. DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DIMM, Dual Inline Memory Module. DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail. DMA, Direct Memory Access. DMARC, Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting, and Conformance. DNS, Domain Name System. DOS, Denial of Service. DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. DRM, Digital Rights Management. DSL, Digital Subscriber Line. DVI, Digital Visual Interface. DVI-D, Digital Visual Interface Digital. ECC, Error Correcting Code. EFS, Encrypting File System. EMI, Electromagnetic Interference. EOL, End of Life. eSATA, External Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. ESD, Electrostatic Discharge. EULA, End User License Agreement. exFAT, Extensible File Allocation Table. EXT, Extended File System. FAT, File Allocation Table. FAT12, 12-bit File Allocation Table. FAT16, 16-bit file allocation table. FAT32, 32-bit file allocation table. FSB, front-side bus. FTP, file transfer protocol. GFS, grandfather, father, son. GPS, global positioning system. GPT, globally unique identifier partition table. GPU, graphics processing unit. GSM, global system for mobile communications. GUI, or GUI, graphical user interface. GUID, globally unique identifier. HAL, hardware abstraction layer. HAV, hardware assisted virtualization. HCL, hardware compatibility list. HDCP, high bandwidth digital content protection. HDD, hard disk drive. HDMI, high definition multimedia interface. HSM, hardware security module. HTML, hypertext markup language. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS, hypertext transfer protocol secure. I/O, input output. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. ICR, intelligent character recognition. IDE, integrated drive electronics. IDS, intrusion detection system. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. IMAP, Internet Mail Access Protocol. IOPS, input output operations per second. IoT, Internet of Things. IP, Internet Protocol. IPS, Intrusion Prevention System. IPS, in-plane switching. IPsec, Internet Protocol Security. IR, infrared. IRDA, Infrared Data Association. IRP, Incident Response Plan. ISO, International Organization for Standardization. ISP, Internet Service Provider. ITX, Information Technology Extended. KB, Knowledge Base. KVM, Keyboard Video Mouse. LAN, Local Area Network. LC, Lucent Connector. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. LED, Light Emitting Diode. MAC, Media Access Control, Mandatory Access Control. MAM, Mobile Application Management. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. MBR, Master Boot Record. MDM, Mobile Device Management. MFA, Multi-Factor Authentication. MFD, Multi-Function Device. MFP, Multi-Function Printer. MMC, Microsoft Management Console. MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. MSRA, Microsoft Remote Assistance. MX, Mail Exchange. NAC, Network Access Control. NAT, Network Address Translation. NDA, Non-Disclosure Agreement. NetBIOS, Networked Basic Input-Output System. NetBT, NetBIOS over TCP/IP. NFC, Near Field Communication. NFS, Network File System. NIC, Network Interface Card. NTFS, New Technology File System. NVMe, Non-Volatile Memory Express. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. OLED, Organic Light Emitting Diode. ONT, Optical Network Terminal. OS, Operating System. PAAS, Platform as a Service. PAN, Personal Area Network. PC, Personal Computer. PCIe, Peripheral Component Interconnect Express. PCL, Printer Command Language. PE, Pre-installation Environment. PII, Personally Identifiable Information. PIN, Personal Identification Number. PKI, Public Key Infrastructure. PoE, Power over Ethernet. POP3, Post Office Protocol 3. POST, Power on Self-Test. PPP, Point-to-Point Protocol. PRL, Preferred Roaming List. PSU, Power Supply Unit. PXE, or PXE, Pre-boot Execution Environment. Radius, Remote Authentication Dial-in User Service. RAID, Redundant Array of Independent Disks. RAM, Random Access Memory. RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol. RF, Radio Frequency. RFI, Radio Frequency Interference. RFID, Radio Frequency Identification. RJ11, Registered Jack Function 11. RJ45, Registered Jack Function 45. RMM, Remote Monitoring and Management. RTO, Recovery Time Objective. SaaS, Software as a Service. SAN, Storage Area Network. SAS, Serial Attached SCSI. SATA, Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. SC, Subscriber Connector. SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. SCP, Secure Copy Protection. At SCSI, Small Computer System Interface. SDN, Software Defined Networking. SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. SIM, Subscriber Identity Module. SIM, Single Inline Memory Module. SMART, self-monitoring analysis and reporting technology. SMB, server message block. SMS, short message service. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. SNMP, simple network management protocol. SNTP, simple network time protocol. SODIMM, small outline dual inline memory module. SOHO, small office home office. SPF, sender policy framework. SQL, structured query language. SRAM, static random access memory. SSD, solid state drive. SSH, secure shell. SSID, service set identifier. SSL, secure sockets layer. SSO, single sign on. ST, straight tip. STP, shielded twisted pair. TACACS, terminal access controller access control system. TCP, transmission control protocol. TCP/IP, transmission control protocol internet protocol. TFTP, trivial file transfer protocol. TKIP, temporal key integrity protocol. TLS, transport layer security. TN, twisted pneumatic. TPM, trusted platform module. UAC, user account control. UDP, user datagram protocol. UFI, unified extensible firmware interface. UNC, universal naming convention. UPnP, universal plug and play. UPS, uninterruptible power supply. USB, universal serial bus. UTM, unified threat management. UTP, unshielded twisted pair. VA, vertical alignment. VDI, virtual desktop infrastructure. VGA, video graphics array. VLAN, virtual local area network. VM, virtual machine. VNC, virtual network computer. VoIP, voice over internet protocol. VPN, virtual private network. VRAM, video random access memory. WAN, wide area network. WEP, wired equivalent privacy. WISP, wireless internet service provider. WLAN, wireless local area network. WMN, wireless mesh network. WPA, Wi-Fi protected access. WWAN, wireless wide area network. XSS, cross-site scripting.